One of the things I hear the most from people who don't have 3D printers is, what do you need it for? Like, what do you actually use it for? Is it just for printing toys? Well, I'm going to show you something that is printing right now. This is in a PLA Plus or PLA Pro, I don't remember. But this side has screw threads inside that has external screw threads. These are caps that'll go on the end, and I'm going to show you exactly what they're for. Bear with me. I just have to hide something from you here as I'm walking. All right. This is the problem. All right. You can see straight through to my bedroom. That is the cable that goes up to the network switch in my office. So all of the computers in the office run off of that. And it is right now just a hole going through the wall. So what it will be soon is a larger hole with this slid in from one side, that slid in from the other. They'll be screwed together. The network cable will come through and will pass out the little gap right here. So what we have here is a functional, useful 3D print. So take that, all the people who think that the only thing you can print on a 3D printer is articulated dragons. You can also print useful things to solve problems. Oh yeah.